English version mathematics class 5 chapter 3 number 14. A rectangular floor show in the below. You can see on your book a rectangular floor photo. We want to cover the entire floor with a square carpet without leaving up any empty space. The floor size equal to 48 meter by 36 meters. Then they want to know number A, determine the length of the one side of the largest one size of a square carpet that can be placed on the floor. They want to know how many largest the square size carpet one side length. And number 2, how many such carpet will be needed to be covered the entire floor. So we need to find out one side length first. So in number A, 48, we can divide it by 48. 48 is the common factor. Then we can find out the common factor 48 and 36. We can divide it by 48 by 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 20, 24 and 48, and 36 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Here is the common factor is 12. That means the perfect length of one side equal to 12 meter. Answer: the length of one side of the square carpet is 12 meter. Then number 2, how many such carpet will we need to cover the entire floor? Then we need to know the entire floor size by area of the entire floor. Meter, the area of the entire floor is equal to 48 into 36 square meter. Here is the topic square meter. A square, if we multiply length meter into meters, here is the 48 meter and 36 meter. Then both meter multiply will do a square meter, and the total area of the carpet one side we already find out them. The one side carpet length equal to 12 meter. Then the total carpet size 12 into 12 square meter. Then we can find the how many carpet required for the total entire. Here total area divided by carpet size or carpet area. Then total area 36 meter into 48 meter divided by 12 meter by 12 meters. Then we can divide this equal to answer 12. That means we need 12 pieces of carpet to cover the entire floor. If you cannot understand, please comment us. We will be try more best. Thank you. Answer: 12 pieces.